I recently got this 3-piece basket set, and I'm honestly impressed. They're not just pretty, they're super practical too. Plus, they're super easy to hang on the wall. It took me just a few minutes. I use them in my kitchen to store fruits and even some linens. The hand-woven design adds a cozy, and they look amazing hanging on the wall. I love that they come in a set of 3 different sizes. If you're into stylish home organization, these are definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description. My husband surprised me with this 4-pack of clear plastic containers with bamboo lids. I absolutely love them. They're perfect for organizing my bathroom. I use them for cotton swabs, pads, floss, and hair ties. The bamboo lids look super clean and modern. They seal well and keep everything dust-free. Check the link in the description. I didn't expect to love this rustic wooden wall shelf so much. It looks like a mini piano keyboard. The design is super unique and stylish. The natural wood finish adds a cozy touch. It has foldable hooks, which is really smart. Great for hanging keys, bags, or light jackets. It's both decorative and useful, perfect for the entryway or hallway. I get compliments on it all the time. I just got this black over-the-door hairdryer holder, and it's super handy. It fits right over my bathroom cabinet door, no tools or drilling needed. It holds my hairdryer, flat iron, and curling wand. Everything's easy to grab and neatly stored. The metal rack feels strong and durable. It saves me so much counter space. Perfect for small bathrooms or tight spaces. Link to the product is in the description. This wall-mounted broom holder, it's a game changer. It has 5 slots and 6 hooks, perfect for brooms, mops, and more. I use it in the laundry room, but it works anywhere. Garage, closet, even the garden shed, it holds everything firmly in place. No more clutter or tools falling over. Installation was super easy. Now everything looks neat and organized. I tried this expandable pull-out cabinet organizer, and it's amazing. It slides out smoothly and holds a lot, great for pots, jars, and kitchen tools. No drilling needed. It sticks with strong adhesive, fits perfectly in my cabinet or pantry. The size is adjustable, which is super helpful. The white metal looks clean and modern. It makes organizing so much easier. No more digging in the back of the cabinet. Check the link in the description. I got this industrial pipe wall-mounted clothing rack, and I love it. It's heavy-duty and super sturdy. The black metal finish looks really sleek. Perfect for my laundry room and extra clothes. Great space saver if you're short on storage. I used it for jackets, shirts, and even bags. It was easy to install and holds a lot. Check the link in the description. This wall-mounted jewelry cabinet with mirror, it's perfect. It looks sleek and elegant on the wall. The mirror is full-size and super clear. Inside, there's so much space for jewelry. No more tangled chains or missing studs. It keeps everything organized and easy to find. Rings, earrings, bracelets, everything fits. The cabinet closes securely and feels sturdy. Such a smart way to save space and stay stylish. Check the link in the description. This brown rolling side table, it's so useful. The design is C-shaped, perfect for the couch or bed. Great for snacks, drinks, or even working on my laptop. It also has a storage bag on the side. I keep books, remotes, and chargers in it. I got this 2-tier pull-out storage organizer, and it's a total space saver. I use it under the sink in my bathroom. You can also use it in the kitchen or laundry room. The drawers slide out smoothly. It holds a lot more than I expected. Perfect for bottles, sponges, and cleaning supplies. The plastic is strong and easy to clean. It has an expandable design, so it fits most spaces. Now everything is neat and easy to reach. I just got this multifunctional wooden clothes hanger, and I love it. It's stylish, simple, and super practical. Perfect for coats, hats, bags, or daily outfits. It stands firmly and doesn't take up much space. Great for the bedroom, entryway, or even the office. It was easy to assemble and feels sturdy. Plus, it's detachable if you ever need to move it. This multi-clip lighting hanger is so useful. It keeps all my leggings in one place. The clips are strong and don't slip. It saves a lot of space in my closet. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or dorms. Super easy to hang and move around. No more clutter or messy drawers. Such a simple solution that really works. This sliding organizer, it's a game changer. It fits perfectly under my bathroom sink. Also great for the kitchen or laundry room. The drawers slide out smoothly and easily. It comes with handy hooks on the side. Perfect for storing sponges, bottles, and more. Made of durable plastic and super easy to clean. Fragrance-free and safe for any space. Now everything is neat and easy to reach. Check the link in the description. I just got this sofa side table, and I love it. The design is sleek and modern. It rolls easily and fits right next to the couch. Perfect for coffee, snacks, or my laptop. It has extra shelves for storage too. I keep books, remotes, and chargers in there. The mix of hardwood and glass looks so stylish. Check the link in the description. This piano wall shelf with LED light is stunning. The black and white design looks so unique. Perfect for books, small decor, or artwork. I use it in my living room, but it fits anywhere. I'm so glad I found this shelf. This rustic wood wall storage rack, it's amazing. The design is classic and super charming. It has a mail slot, shelves, and strong hooks. Perfect for keys, letters, and small decor. I placed it in the entryway, and it looks great. Keeps everything neat and easy to grab.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.